This is Darshana Gauchin with your B2B Cambodia Market update for December 16th, 2025. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was up 0.09 points or 0.02% to 419.06. Total trade volume was up with 220,469 shares changing hands at a total value of 873.5 billion real or over $218,000. On the main board, 5 stocks were up. Leading the market today was Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ, which was up 2.88% or 60 real to 2,140 real per share, followed by Akleda Bank, which rose 1.12% or 80 real to 7,200 real per share. Other stocks also up were the Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority, Phnom Penh Autonomous Port, and Sihanoukville Autonomous Port. On the downside, Pestech Cambodia was the biggest loser of the day, dropping 1.05% or 30 real to 2,820 real per share, followed by Cam GSM, which was down 0.80% or 20 real to 2,490 real per share, and Grand Twins International, which dropped 20 real to 7,040 real per share. Meanwhile, MJQ Education stayed flat. Over on the growth board, JS Land was up 1.25% or 30 real to 2,430 real per share. Picasso City Garden was down 0.42% or 20 real to 4,780 real per share, and DVD Engineering stayed flat at 2,140 real per share. Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 104,518 shares changing hands at a total value of 220 million real or over $55,000, about 47% of the total trade volume on Tuesday. Akleda Bank recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with 71,812 shares changing hands at a total value of 514.7 million real or $128,000, approximately 33% of the total trade volume on December 16th. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD stayed flat at 4,009 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was down to 98.26. Looking at global commodities, oil prices fell on Tuesday, adding to the previous session's losses as prospects for a Russia-Ukraine peace deal appeared to strengthen, raising expectations of a potential easing of sanctions. Brent crude futures fell 35 cents or 0.6% to $60.21 US dollars a barrel, while US West Texas Intermediate crude was trading at $56.47 US dollars a barrel, down 35 cents or 0.6%. Gold prices slipped as investors turned cautious ahead of key U.S. jobs and inflation data, which could provide cues for U.S. Federal Reserve policy heading into the new year. Spot gold lost 0.3% to $4,290.33 US dollars per ounce. Bullion has rallied 64% year to date, smashing multiple records along the way. U.S. gold futures were down 0.4% at $4,316.40 US dollars. Stock futures slipped Tuesday morning as traders anticipated the release of November's jobs report. As of the time of the Cambodian market's closing, futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 164 points or 0.34%, S&P 500 futures slipped 0.56%, while Nasdaq 100 futures dropped nearly 0.83%. This was Darshana Gauchin with your B2B Cambodia Market update for December 16th.